Hey everybody, David the AI Guide here. Welcome to another episode on the AI Guide where we're making AI human by focusing on the human impact of AI. So, great video by Wall Street Journal. We'll do a couple of clips and throw in some comments on what they're saying. So, first clip, here we go.
Role in white-collar work. They can create first drafts of documents, presentations, images, video, and product designs. Currently, 25% of work tasks could be automated by AI in the US, according to Goldman Sachs research.
So there we go, right off the bat, 25% of white-collar, more clerical jobs can already be automated by AI. And so here we go with our next segment.
AML AI engine.
For some tech companies, AI is contributing to job cuts. A May report said nearly 4,000 tech workers lost their jobs to AI. Artificial intelligence is also eliminating future positions. Take IBM as an example. Its CEO said the company could replace workers with AI.
I do believe that AI is going to replace a lot of what I'm calling white-collar clerical jobs.
So here we have it again. The intention of the big companies and their CEOs is to eliminate jobs. Why? We've talked about this a bunch of times. First, humans are complicated, right? Look at your personal relationships if you don't believe me. Humans are complicated. Second, they don't need sick time. They don't need vacation. They don't need benefits. Massive cost savings by automation with AI. That's why companies are going to do it. Okay, let's look at the next one.
AI's role in television and film production is a key point of negotiations between the Writers Guild of America and the studios. Speaking to the Wall Street Journal about the strike, the co-showrunner for The Handmaid's Tale laid out the writers' union's concerns.
We could tell from the negotiations that the studios had a plan, and we could deduce that plan was probably one writer in a room with one or two machines creating an entire show.
Studios have said they're committed to discussing the use of AI with the WGA.
So now unions are striking over AI job replacement, right? And we've talked about the writer's strike before, but ChatGPT, and especially GPT-4, which is supposed to come out this month, is perfectly positioned to get rid of a bunch of jobs like script writers. So this is serious. It's so serious that the Actors Guild has joined the writers' strike effective 2 days ago. And the reason the actors did it is because in addition to using ChatGPT or GPT-4 to writing all the scripts, they can also use DALL-E 2 to generate moderately realistic images of the actor and make them say and do anything they want to. And without an express provision in an actor's agreement to prohibit that, they can go on and do it without any further permission. So let's be real. This is why I started the AI Guide, to prepare people age 18 to 34 for a massive transition in work during the prime of your working career. And as you can tell by this video from the Wall Street Journal, this is real. It's already happening. It's already an issue, whether it's tech jobs being eliminated or whether it's creative jobs being eliminated. This is very, very real, and there is a way to prepare yourself. First of all, stay tuned to this channel because that's why we exist, to help you prepare for the absolute wave of change coming from AI and other exponential technologies like robotics and self-driving cars and things like that. So stay tuned here. Number 2, click the link below. Get your free resource. The resource is free. Everything in the resource is free. And that resource only exists to help you prepare for this massive wave of automation that is upon us. And further, if you do get the resource, then you will become eligible to participate in my beta course, totally free. And this course will help you prepare and change careers into a relatively AI safe one, which there are. Now, I didn't say it in this video, but this video says that AI programming jobs will be growing significantly because there's going to be very, very high demand for that for a while. So there will be some job creation. There's going to be more elimination of jobs in the next 10 years than jobs created, leading to very significant unemployment. So please prepare for this. And the final thing is, please like, subscribe, and share these videos with your buddies so that they're prepared. I'm only here to help you guys. Why? Because I have kids your age and I care deeply about them and their futures. So thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.